And if you look back there, that is our hotel. And we've discovered this back area that has these nature trails. So we're gonna try and figure out where to go for these nature trails. I'm just gonna, oh look, it says it right there. There's signs. So we're gonna nature trail this bitch. I'm just kidding. I shouldn't have said that. We're gonna keep our 30 minutes of fitness for 30 days intact, even while you're away. You may not have come prepared. It does say, what did you say, backpacks and walking sticks? But we want to take the nature trail anyway, and you can only really run on a treadmill for so long before you get cabin fever and go crazy, right? So we're gonna follow this trail, look. So it looks like we have to watch out for rattlesnakes. Luckily they make noise if we're too close. And what else? There's cacti, is that right? Is that how you say it? Cacti. We also have to be aware of skunks. Great. Feral hogs. Hopefully we don't see any of those.
I was hoping to see one.
Really? One of the coolest little hikes that I did was in Red Rock in Colorado. Mm-hmm. That was amazing. Oh, totally gonna slip, I know it.
Let's stop.
We made it through the first, what we are gonna call the first leg of the hike and cross the street. So now, what is it? Feral hogs, rattlesnakes,
and squirrels.
Squirrels? We got those in Florida. And in Florida, they come at you. They're not scared. You know, some of the biggest squirrels I've ever seen were in California. They're huge.
Nice.
Prickly pear. This is a prickly pear cactus. Here in Texas, they have a lot of prickly pear drinks, like prickly pear margaritas, prickly pear martinis. But that's what it looks like. It's very rocky. Oh, careful. Ooh. All right. Okay. Well, look at this business we're gonna have to climb. It's gonna happen. If this is 1 mile, when we go back, it'll be 2 miles. So we just did the whole trail, and now we're gonna have to go back. I'm really sweaty already. The sun's been beaming down at us, and but the view is amazing. However, it's been. Now we're gonna get to go back, and that's another mile. Here we go. At least it's a little bit breezy now. I'm killing you, Smalls. Let's make sure to stay hydrated. We kind of epic failed on that. We forgot water. But we're not that far, I think, so we'll be fine. Hogs, no rattlesnakes. What else? Skunks?
Yep.
We didn't see any of that. And we're like on the way back now. You see this business? A lot of uphill, a lot of downhill. And it was quite the hike, and it's hot and dry here in Texas. I'm gonna drink a lot of water when I get back. in there. Okay.